How to fix high ping in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your PC. In your PC, search for Task Manager. In Task Manager, you'll find Network at the top. Click on Network. And search for unwanted network uses. Right-click on the unwanted network uses. After you've right-clicked on it, you'll find End Task. Click on End Task and repeat the process to all the unwanted uses. After you have done that, open Control Panel and click on System and Security at the top. After you have clicked on System and Security, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Windows Defender Firewall, which is the second option. Now, on the left side, click on Allow an app or feature. In here, search for Roblox and make sure there's tick mark in Roblox. After you've allowed Roblox, press on OK at the bottom and you're good to go. After that, what you can do is simply open Roblox, go to any game, and at the top left corner of your screen, click on the Roblox icon. After you have clicked on Roblox icon at the top left corner of your screen, in here you will find Settings at the top. Click on Settings. Scroll down in Settings and you'll find Graphics Mode. Make sure it's manual and decrease your graphic quality as well. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix high ping in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.